how to enable 5 GHz Wi-Fi or hotspot in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you on the steps of how you can enable 5 GHz Wi-Fi hotspot from your device to another device. So if you are sharing your mobile network via a hotspot, then you can share it at extremely fast speeds by using the 5 GHz hotspot if it is supported in your Android device. So let me show you how you can do this. So the first thing that you will need to do is simply go to the settings of your Android device. So once you are inside the settings, you need to go to Wi-Fi, and then under Wi-Fi, if you cannot find the settings, you can also go to connection and sharing option as well. So depending upon different types of mobile, this setting could be present anywhere. Now under connection and sharing, I have this personal hotspot right here. So I'm gonna choose personal hotspot, and then from here I will choose hotspot settings. Now it will show the name of my hotspot and password as well, and also the security. And if your device supports, you will also see an AP band option. You can click onto this I button, and from here you will get a brief overview of what these frequencies mean. So 2.4 GHz provides a slower connection but is supported by most devices. Also its range is tend to be a little longer, whereas 5 GHz provides a faster connection but may not be supported by some devices. So if your other device on which you are sharing the network supports 5 GHz, you can simply choose it to 5 GHz and the network speed will be tremendously fast. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.